Now it's time to think back about our big question of the day. Our question of the day was, what happens during a blizzard? Do you remember from our story? We learned a lot about blizzards today. What happens during a blizzard? That's right. Do you have something to write on and something to write with? Great. I already drew my picture and I already started my sentence, but I'm going to need your help to finish it. I have 2 spaces here. I need you to help me read the words to put in the clouds, and then we'll work together to write them in our sentence. Our sentence says, during a blizzard, there is a lot of blank and blank. Let's see if we can figure it out together. Here's our first word. Our first word starts with an S. Could you help me blend these sounds? S, N, and OW together makes the O sound. S, N, O. What's the word? Snow. You're right. Let's put snow right here. Snow. Now, in my sentence, I'm going to copy the word snow. You can do it at home too. S-N-O-W. Watch me write the word snow. S-N-O-W. Now, let's look at our next word. Here's the next word. Can you help me sound out the sounds in this word? W says ooh, I says I, N says n, and D says d. Let's blend those sounds. Wind. Wind. This word is wind. Let's put wind in this cloud. Great. Now we're going to write the word wind. You can write it too. W-I-N-D. Great. Let's read our sentence one last time. During a blizzard, there is a lot of snow and wind. Thanks for helping me to answer our big question of the day, readers and writers.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by, and by viewers like you. Thank you.